Then I thought me killing myself would make life easier. I thought maybe Sami is a I don't know how or what. I was rolling in my head. I was like, I know Sami is overstayed. Yes, that's a bro. You're not Boda. And that time you're frustrated. You
anger takes over.
You see, and stress, fear, everything. There was just condemnation as well. I was like, yo, no, what? Writing down this letter, and I'm not writing it from thinking tomorrow I'm gonna wake up trending. I'm writing it thinking I won't wake up tomorrow. Thank God.
Yeah.
Check what I didn't do. I didn't kill myself after writing.
But wait. Before you did that, did you talk to him first?
Nah, bro. Like
you just wrote that with Mpatale on social media without telling him face to face.
I was in my head. I was like, I'm done talking. Like not feeling good. I'm on a demand no hati go wrong. Oh, Tanta Mpatale. I said him all me. What's about Tanta Ampetele?
Yeah.
So I wanted to Marubas the Wang say to me and that.
It's like, no, every person that comes here and is making a good living for themselves.
Yeah.
Daddy issues. Come on.
I mean, my pops passed away.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, because like some believe
now, even if it's time I'm gonna love I. Then you know, because it's solid. Because the stems I can play a role. Because I could have cried. I go mama divorce. Maybe you can take it. Go mama zanga go. Maybe you can take it. But maybe me at the top, I'll just buy Sela. At the top,
By selling time.
yeah, let's buy selling canteen.
Yeah.
Then go buy him one.
Because
The chefs, the suppliers. Then underneath, he let us look supply in can, and then meaning it's if you change in the pyramid being and we have to buy some canteen, not to pay. But it can 5 up to imagine, but let's cut this up.
Oh, you
this guy is talking like yours.
I'm talking 2007. Oh, I found kids in the criteria. High school man, sister Anna Bro is from the birds. Bro speaks proper English. Bro is quiet. Bro is loved by the hands. So now I'm dropped in primary by my failed soccer career and my relationship. Now I'm in high school. I have to compete with you guys. Must figure like me in that. I think it was 1.5, 1.4 for Aboko.
out of 1.5.
Sa mi boni lang natin ang 2.9. At kokoro 1.4 from 500. Hari ang danong to ko piano dan hudan to kon sang bagla titur. To go kang Shalu crosser.
So the problem with saying action.
Le podcast le last play when we were ngeposta ngayon. Phela khona le buyishaya ngazi ningkhotman so how ling something
How last con.
yeah.
Oh, you know what happened at that podcast? Like it sounded kind of very So I demanded with Balungisi sound before they posted. So I was like, I was gonna help bro to mix and master it sound. But then because of time and isn't that bad, alang sa kongulungs. And I thought about it, Panalugan. Who saw?
Something
Yeah,
Crazy.
yeah, he's a driver. He used to also like help me out with my kids on the road. And I'm happy for bro. Like when I heard you Spano Lusol, I'm for Nela, let's go make you. But hey, Chulas, hey, bro, you're getting calls from podcast and chill. That's dope, bro. Those are moves. Free marketing.
That's big.
free market.
Yeah, and
But I suppose
yeah, I think maybe he's occupied at work because Kanada Spana Kona Manji, we saw. I don't know if they
Kinga le episode beyithi ngiyacheck lapha emagcineni vele ibele nisakhuluma.
Yeah, it sounded jana no mayelele.
Background probably maybe 3 minutes of the time.
Cautious, like
The frequencies. Yeah.
cautious, like isn't is Lukanda is regarding my brand.
Yeah.
Especially quality sound, quality of camera, man.
Yeah.
But the sound we think team like so. But no,
No, but it's because you make music. Obviously, more
Yeah, you're very sensitive. Yeah.
So we ended up like prolonging with Ilumi sound. Then I was like,
Yeah,
do
it's fine.
Yeah, do whatever you want to do, man.
Yeah,
And bro, like, felt like it's his opportunity to drop the episode. Yeah, but I was like, if you feel like it, then if it's gonna work for you, drop it, nigga. As long as it's expanded.
Am I gonna ride you we forced sometimes in?
I inspired. No, initially sometimes trend leads
Yeah.
and defeats.
Mm.
So you might feel like it's the right time for me to spark this
thing, yeah.
and it's the wrong time. We are not focused on
true.
that, Tina. We in the primary source.
Yeah.
But with what's inside the cup, we don't care. And whatever affiliates with whatever that's inside the cup. Tennis nana, tennis focus a commission. And the commission little moshile. And the commission players will tell a man the polo.
Yeah.
Or la boga, like man. So everyone out there is gonna be speaking about the cup. And the cup la better. Then when, because we had an opportunity to meet what's inside the cup.
Oh, yeah.
What's inside the cup. So come with it. Whatever as affiliated, not a commission. It's
gonna work.
Can die.
I feel like sometimes, with our experience, it just generally depends on the person that was there as the guest. Because I think we've had a couple of guests where they didn't want that to be posted.
Mm-hmm.
Like you probably didn't want it, but you were like, you know what, bro, but it's okay if you post it anyway.
Yeah.
But
it reached that point because there was a time where I even felt like I'm waiting for, and I'm up at the same time. I'm seizing and the sound. Like I didn't get enough time to be like, sounding it totally. And I felt like Leo time master Leo na I don't know what happened that day, but I just wanted the sound to be proper before we drop the episode. Yeah. But for now, I've never heard his podcast yet, but I saw an episode whereby he was speaking to someone in Groove.
Yeah.
So interview,
but it's newer videos.
Yes, now he's cooking now. Now, if we use this sound for that episode, we got.
At least you weren't threatening to sue people. That's my shit.
I wasn't.
You wasn't threatening to sue him and stuff like that.
I'm telling you.
I'm telling you. Yeah, that's what I'm saying with our experience. Don't drop it.
Yeah, but say
If they say don't drop it, do not drop it.
Bro, when someone walks in here, tell them, bro, we own this shit. Sign it.
Most of the time it's girls.
Wait, where does the problem come from? From what they said?
Exactly.
And I'm thinking,
bro, number one, you walk in here sober. You walk in here sober. Then you speak your mind. You feel like, the episode. What do you guys do? Do you send them the clip or what?
No,
they know what they say.
They know what they say.
Yeah, exactly. I know what you say.
And the when you walk into the Uber, now you remember it.
Next thing. Mustn't drop a clip specific with TikTok.
Oh, you guys dropped a clip before dropping the full episode.
Yeah.
That's weird.
My man got to share a clip.
And
the person's like, nah.
And you know what happens? So look at what you would do. Let the lady after the clip.
I'm saying relatives would be texting these people like, I can do a cool song. And they're like, my mother doesn't want me to talk about that.
Talking about relatives. Because like, the Mundulo Uti, sometimes I learned the young thing Mara, Leo clip laying with TikTok. In our YouTube, Nanda. In Kinga with TikTok in the audience.
So far, but
we ask YouTube or familiar name.
It's an hour, 2 hours.
Funny enough, Dana, there's content that blows up on YouTube and comes back to TikTok or other social media platforms. Some even blow up on Twitter. Because YouTube is a big platform now. So if you YouTube, the content creator or something. But then a bigger big. So Ndo said something on YouTube, then blew up on TikTok. So I understand what dynamics are fine. TikTok. But the next time around, by given TikTok, then it's all YouTube, then spawn with whole.
But my child is big, say delete TikTok. Let's say it's figure with a stage CB, Jengabo Mechi, Jengabo C.
Yes.
Either way, it's no normal sniper post and a little clip with TikTok.
Yeah.
uzothi sisusebuphi manje?
He's the one who's
I'm trying to Chief, it's my money. That means you have to pay me because YouTube is paying. It's either I'm running for numbers which I get monetized or something. Because hey, bro, we need the coins, dog.
Yeah.
I'm trying to Chief.
Lapo, your video, I know, guaranteed 10K.
Yeah,
Guaranteed
understand.
10K views
I'm trying to
everywhere.
There's no contract, by the way.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think that's the
contract.
You know what?
No, if there was no contract, it's actually our rules. Yeah, you didn't despite or disclose to us when the conditions don't understand. Because go was chilling before stop the episode. Why did you leave us to drop the episode? For it to blow, then come no.
Yeah.
So
another thing is that as actually good to uthi.
More questions. That's how I show.
Thina siyakuleader on iphela then whatever you say it's up to you.
Motivate you.
Siyakumotivate ukuthi hayi. Mara another thing mina like I'm feeling that abantu bayasabe ezinye izinto mara like kuyafana.
Yeah.
What are people scared of? Are people scared of what they said or the fact that they didn't prepare to hear the questions that they were going to be asked?
Nah, it's a natural thing. That's another thing engenza ukuthi ngingathandi ukusayinisa abantu ama-contracts because the moment ngiyangena like if those got money now i-contract so ufila ngathi
what is he gonna ask me?
So we're conscious of every question yabo
gonna give us PR answers
yabo because ucabanga ukuthi either way into engizoyisho la amajida angeke ayisusa ngeke seyisho yabo into like umuntu makasayina contract akabi comfortable to that state. I think relax.
It's binding now.
I wonder that contract part. It takes me back to the conversation, your music, which is whereby the split sheet comes in. So with us music-wise, now I hear people say, "Yeah, Donna, music, mele sign split sheet, percentage agreements, and so on and so on, right?" But now remember one thing, Doc. What he said as well. Which is, imagine walking into a studio, then I make you sign a split sheet. Before us
immediately
working, before us working. So
and now, I didn't even pay you to be here.
Yeah, it gives already the energy will be off.
Yeah.
Look like why number one. Yes, you have to defend yourself, defend your rights, because no one knows in the long run which is But now here's my chat. What happens if in the room where we are as recording the song and C2, then I decide to add a big artist or an artist that's bigger than all of us in the room, then it's split sheet this and says chinja or genza. So it's better if split sheet this sana before Ngomizo drop.
Yeah, so we understand.
Yeah, so like for artists,
make the song first too.
Yes, when I said before the song drops, make sure that before the song gets to DSPs, ask for the split sheet then. Ask before the song even blows, dog. Or the next day, like Masay go easy and come. That's when you Marabuzi now at my like funny man. Because sometimes people ask for the split sheet, make it look or sound like you are after the man. So ask in a I don't know a cool way to ask for a split sheet, but I give split sheet
business first.
Yeah, I give split sheet as much as I demand split sheet.
Yeah.
So so you understand because it's a sensitive topic to go into.
It's very sensitive though, because I have a means of business whereby I haven't got the split sheet. Then mangbuza ngaso. I told you the reaction is like, then given that to get it. Hey,
was I ever gonna get
it? If it's a star, why got this?
Umnandi ukuspana together maka the moment it is involved imali ama-contracts inani comfort iyachieve.
My chat is if kumnandi ukuspana why kungabi mnandi with sibe grants?
Yeah,
that's the thing, that's the difference. Like omunye umuntu ufila ngathi wena ugaina more. For example, let's say you're making a song with a big artist. Obviously he's big, he's already up there. He has the name, he has everything.
Yeah.
Wena ukufonelile zokala uzo-add more vocals.
Sure.
Yafika la angisho uma ufuna kumele sign contract. Nehlanganisa sekumele sign contract wena uthi Godman ngiunderstand mina ngisacela ungayi 50%. Godman use studio sakhe. I-beats la. Yena ukubizela ukuthi u-edivase.
Fair.
Yeah, ngabe uyothola ama-gig, uyothola ne-feature naye, ne-appearance on some stages na.
Yeah,
Should in a way
50%.
grow a brand
Yeah.
grow just
Yeah,
the song.
50% is another chat. Like you have to put in 50% in order for you to get 50%.
Yeah, so think that's why you see when I sing a Bikireni song, it comes to that. The bigger people feel like we didn't contribute equally.
Let's take it here again.
Yeah.
Now the song is about to drop, nah?
Yeah.
We discuss with it. Okay, sure. 50% by default goes to the label, which is the people that own the master.
Yeah.
Then the remaining 50% goes to 50% less allow a year production, my vocal, so on and so on. But our fan split us, we can publishing split, a DSP split, the master split.
Yeah.
So the people that own the master are the ones that split. So now here's my chat. We have an agreement with him. Giftos we're getting 15% from the song. 15%.
Yeah.
And the other people are getting their own percentages. Then why does it come to a point where when the money comes in, why won't guy 15% down?
Of the man.
Yeah, despite of who made who paid.
Yeah.
Why don't you serve me my 15%?
15% of a million is crazy.
Yeah, like no imali ya kulo muntu dropi.
Yeah.
If you drop away then
Yeah, do you want muntu dropa?
normally 10.
Mina by 10.
It's my album.
Do you want muntu dropa? The person who has a thing, the person who owns the song actually has a cap. There's something called a cap in the music industry, especially if you're signed into a DSP, that's in distribution companies like Africori, Electromode. I'm signed under Electromode, which is now Virgin Music Group. So Virgin Music Group serves you a cap. So you get to see how much the song has made and how much the song, how much you guys are getting as a whole from the song. Then who you are, no kunubona le nto lezo as kuyimong through. Then if me na momasha, kula again no kamachi. But I take it as a point to it. If ngivumile uthi chance, you told 2%, you told 3%. Why am I thinking you ungakama chitama 2-3% wako? Because that's what if I were to advocate for artists, that's what I was gonna fight for. But you agreed.
You signed.
Yeah, not unless like there was no split sheet. We freestyled everything.
Let's say uvumile, but like just verbally so one sign now. That means it doesn't count.
That's a flop.
And then okay, think of it like this. You and person just started working now. You were not friends like that.
Yeah.
Just in Shanganisha Span at that moment. Leongo, Megmelisha.
Sure.
And then my busy, that was a social. Now exciting. Say shy.
Okay.
After lapho and sign my contract and things mara man benkhuluma my malele ngoma swenza ngawa ngizokha 10%.
Ngomlomo.
Yeah.
That's an agreement.
Yeah.
Because it's verbal.
Exactly. Mara fere no proof.
In the court of law, that don't work.
Angeke kuyivume na 10%. Like yazi angeke kuyivume. 10% angeke kuyivume. Nivumelana nethu ningana knowledge.
Yeah.
And most case scenario.
No, but
the person who drops the song, bet knows what he's doing.
Yeah. Me, I'm saying most of the time.
Yeah.
Laws of government. Ulo on the knowledge.
Yeah, we are getting look at like we end up. That's why I had the 10%. Out of the blue, not around the 10%.
Yeah.
But no
You usually calculate.
Yeah, if you guys don't know, go to 50. Yeah,
and that's honest.
Yeah, 50. But the 50-50, sure, no one knows between the both of you. Night to announce with it. The percentage is mostly done. Invest money. And the people who own the studio as well. Which like, if it wasn't for us, this song was never gonna be there.
I mastered this song.
Yeah, master.
Distributor.
And sometimes, if you work with a big artist, that artist played a big role also in the song going to where it is. I used to say to myself at times, hey, but truly speaking, if it wasn't for Pastor 929, I don't think those songs were gonna blow up like that. It is top way. Because after the
in
song,
a way, that's true.
Yeah, I had to be realistic with myself. It's like, yo, I didn't go Malaysia, I don't think.
But in another way, now you're going to be the same without doing. That's another truth.
But it's not 50-50.
No, wait,
It's not 50-50.
The blowing up, I understand. It was not gonna blow up without the big name.
Yeah, for
but
the song.
The song was not gonna be as nice without you also.
But now I'm looking at it at the factuality. The song was made at the scale of a peak past.
Yeah.
And I had no peak. I just had I had features here and there, but there's no peak. No one knows who's in Giftos.
Yeah.
So I could easily even change my name to JT.
It's us.
Or
that's the same guy. I didn't know.
I don't know Spanish. So I had to sometimes nokusipana nathi still cool kuyasiza.
Yeah. That's why it helps you as a brand, like image. That's why I'm saying that's why it comes with why umuntu agroba aba invumelane ngalendo mara akasayenzi. That's the reason.
Do you think they feel like mara ngimenzile? Why am I?
Yeah, I feel like they feel like that because like bawintwana encane sihlelele bekuhumeka sishaya music ine voice enhle ine talent ngayifonela ngatozo Ediverse. Ediverse sekafuna imali
You see,
yeah, but that's the conversation like it will take forever for us to squash it.
Yeah.
But my take is, please, man, guys, pay the kids, pay the youngins, pay everyone. Yeah, pay what's due, though. If you guys agree here at the podcast with it, and when you start making coins, you are going to take 10%, you're going to take 50%. Here's our YouTube channel, it's now monetizing. Give them the due diligence and what you promised. Because there's always a leader. So a leader is, for me, is the guy that owns the YouTube channel, the distributor. Because that's the guy who sees with how much money is being made. So I wanna be honest, I don't know how much it's but no grand again.
But no,
yeah, manu tantan. Ono mo yung pa kuchin da tama chita Chris tangan
Nike store na bro.
Just dizzy level because now you're up there. Then bana mele babele pa. In this kalisa it's bit like when tana maru you can easily sell your Viano to sibe fed song.
I think maybe that's what makes good idea. Who makes you one of the best in the industry. Yeah. Good relationships.
Distributing
with not I see the people like Abaza is like internal good relationship with everyone. Like Basale Bash is not greedy.
Yeah.
Everyone is fair.
But then also you have to give it to his like years into it, you know.
Yeah.
I think he's had so much years and so much things
experience
and so much
as well.
He's like, I've been here before. I've known if he's ever been knocked before. He's like, I know how it feels to be knocked,
bro.
You know, so it's like when it comes to the young ones, that is, you know, guys, I'm gonna give you this and give you this because I know how it feels. And it's true. You see, that's what I was telling you. But I like him because he's honest. He's that type
I remember. So you are man.
He's so honest, and like I give him that.
You know what drove me crazy about Mac G Dog?
Yeah.
When he announced that I don't produce. I'm putting my name on this song.
That's it.
That's a brave move, though.
Just so that that artist from the back
gets traction and all that.
He's
honest, bro. Like which DJ, one DJ, ain't produce if Verse when I produce. Because there are a lot of DJs that do music, but they don't produce. No, we might say they don't produce. They produce, but they don't beat make.
Yeah.
Because there's a difference between beat making and production. So you can in one room, get a producer, get a vocalist, get an engineer, you produce the song because you are part of the production of the song, of the music of the song. And the beat making is when they outplay. So people discredit producers based on beat making.
Yeah.
So that's where actually there's a difference between beat making and production, but might as well. Thingy removed himself from the production part and even the beat making part. He was like, I just put my name on there. I don't do anything. Make G said that.
But then with that also, you have to wonder: is he saying that because like he genuinely wants to help, right?
Yeah.
And is he taking a cut from that? Because I feel like if he's not taking a cut and he just put his name there, that's more than generous.
He's not taking cuts, though.
That's crazy.
TikTok
my bro.
Like, if he takes nothing, zero.
Not 100% of
I said Tema, Strasser, no given gun. Strasser is from Tema, no given us, it's a gun. I'm shocked. How the heaven did you guys get to meet me, G Dog? Because YouTube says the biggest thing, you understand? Then I got to find out that no man, Mac puts his name on the songs and he helps them out after as well. Because then they drop the song. After they drop the song, Mac G paid for my visuals. You understand? It's generosity. Then he funded the video as well. Then he takes nothing from the song. That time it's featuring Mac G, not with Mac G. Yeah, like do your thing. So I'm going to ofuna ukubona udaka aphumelele.
Yeah, he's been there.
Yeah.
With what the man on graphic in private le shoot, like he's like down to earth, like
shayila ku-TikTok yamba nomfazi wayo emoli
Yeah.
ikhuluma umbedo nomfazi
Like,
wayo.
Sure. So we two beneficent efanayo.
Yeah, sort of like they are made for each other.
Yeah, that's dope.
I ngoba mose bane awuthe njengomegina.
you have to be childish in a way. You have to, like,
now
open-minded with that.
yeah, my man.
Eh?
I make
You're kind of cooler sometimes. We take it out of context. Cooler does not mean Uguti. You're not allowed to do childish stuff in Facebook. When you restrict yourself in such a way, Uguti, I'm not allowed to do that because now I'm 30. I'm not allowed to do that. In Facebook, if you want to play games, play games. For the fact that Uguti, you know what you're doing and you're aware of your situation.
Yeah.
McG is aware of everything. Mari is allowed, he's able to do that thing comfortably because, like, I know where I am in life. I know what I'm doing. And so I'm old enough to take these decisions proper. Where not? No, he's childish because what? He's my G. He's my G in face. He's allowed to do whatever he wants. He's accepted with it. Man.
I'm raising something from this conversation.
Yeah.
He's aware, though.
Yeah.
Aware and with yourself. Kula uzokhona ukumuva ngezinye indlela. Like, take for instance with me, you know. See what happened with me and Pastor. Broke what you call this? Broke a relationship for some time, right? Because we were good. Pastor.
Yeah.
Bengi ntwana Pastor. Ngimncane Pastor. Namanzi awuna. But there came a time whereby I started sani, understand that the splama sonke ngiphile kwakhe senza yonke into, but after the instant yokuthi I cried out on the internet. I was like, bro, I was ready to even kill myself that time.
Yeah.
I was at the point of it, you know what? I chose spanile man. Spana kangaka dog, then I'm totally zuga from all this, you understand? And that time I didn't have much information about the entertainment lane. Because why? I wasn't aware. And I didn't have the information as well. So when time went by, I started like being aware, sing about it and yo, and like broke and made at the same time.
Yeah.
Broken made.
I broke and made something.
Yeah.
So my namsang kalangiba aware nyanya like this with some realize like I cried out, might have messed up relationships that were to come for me in the future. Like how are other producers gonna look at me? After
Yeah.
I'm phoning, but now not knowing which do you know what? I walked into this thing unaware and with no hand to hold me and direct me, which I'm gifted. This is how you do things. This is how this is done. This is a split sheet. I mean, I used to think a split sheet is a word.
Yeah, and I'm
And a paper.
It came into mind.
And a paper.
Wait, what?
A split sheet is a word and a paper.
Yeah.
That time Bengagazi was born is split sheet. But the split sheet, because you understand the word Mawashuganisa with the split sheet. Marawati in hours or the purpose of the split sheet.
Yeah. You don't think about
I'm
it.
confused.
Just,
Understand?
Like what? Did you
Like
Wait.
it's like I need to go. Do you know that YouTube pays? Yeah, I know YouTube pays. But when I ask you about YouTube monetization, like,
Oh yeah.
then
Okay. Yeah.
YouTube monetization, then you check with the ads that have to be add on your thing, your videos, your channels, etc. Then there are other things that help you generate money from YouTube.
Yeah.
Then ubanele to why not pattern manje ke? Can't you don't know the depth of it? There are stages still for you to get paid. Because right now I was also fixing my YouTube thing. Can't you qualify for it? For memberships. Kali memberships.
Partner.
Yeah, partner. After partner, then there are 4,000 hours or 10 million views.
Yeah.
That's when you get paid from ads. But YouTube like good knowledge.
Bro.
Focus it.
My partner.
Yeah. Yeah, 5 cents.
The work. You
Yeah,
have to put
understand.
it in.
You feel? So that's where the split sheet conversation comes in.
Yeah.
It's a split sheet.
But
Don't
you
bear in
really
mind,
understand
I've never
what it
even
is.
signed one that
Yeah.
time. I'm walking into this game with giants.
And that was a brave move.
And like split sheet. Yeah, like when I read the comments of people, guys, do you understand that this was my death letter, suicide note? I poured out my heart in that note. like ngisaba nokuyifunda even till today. Like,
what was
what
it
the
doing?
heaven
Oh,
did
yeah,
I
it's, bro.
Yeah, like I put out pen boku 3, if I'm not mistaken. 3 in the morning.
Yeah.
I'm chilling with the gents. Got to spana. Machitanda tanglo lezi langchar with tantan. When I know kabule big son. And I've been hearing this over and over, but I didn't put it in my head. Deep down, I'm saying, guys, do you understand what Basta has done for me? Because I've worked with a lot of people. I've did music with a lot of producers, even some well-known. But I never got the opportunity that I got after working with him. So for me, it felt like a blessing. I didn't even see it as a rip-off. Until Machita and Trilakata or Kenya Screw in order for me not to destroy Basta or anyone that's close to him.
Or
And
even
get sad.
yourself.
Or even myself. No, me, I'm destroying myself by killing myself already. No, let me kill myself. Then I thought me killing myself would make life easier. I thought maybe I don't know how or what. That was rolling in my head. I was like, I know Sami's over said. Yes, that's a bro, you're not Boda. And that time you're frustrated. You
Anger takes over.
You see, and stress, fear, everything. There was just condemnation as well. I was like, yo, no, I'm writing down this letter, and I'm not writing it from thinking tomorrow I'm gonna wake up trending. I'm writing it thinking I won't wake up tomorrow. Thank God.
Yeah.
Check what I didn't do. I didn't kill myself after writing the letter.
But I think it comes back to another thing. After all the doing stuff, the mistakes, the regrets, it comes back to being a man in general. Hot man, you apologize. And I'm born like.
See, the man part came in when he apologized to me.
Yeah.
And he was like, I remember very well, Nikikofad.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm kicking on a Monday.
But wait. Before you did that, did you talk to him first?
Nah, bro, like.
You just wrote that with Mpatale on social media without telling him face to face.
I was in my head. I was like, I'm done talking. Like, I'm on a demano hatibo wrong. Tanta Ampatale. I said him owing me. What's about Tanta Ampetele?
Yeah.
So I'm going to Marubas the Wang say to me and done. Amachita machela, why was Amachita Kuruma from a hearsays.
Yeah.
Our tough with him holy. Ekas man figure was with the le in a male. And the hood they think that 1 million views is 1 million rand. You understand? And now it's rolling in my head with like, yo, I'm a renewing the male, Minano 90 CNZ. But the next day, this is where like reality kicks in. Now we are actually
still alive.
So now I'm alive. Now
We are still alive.
There's no rope in my own time. When I wake up, bro, my girlfriend is calling. First things first, made a phone. Shout out to that hand, bro.
Yeah.
Some guy shout out check and she along the episode. She's calling, she's stressed, everyone was calling, texting, WhatsApp, but what pinched me a lot was her. It's like, yo, my people, I'm young phone, I should tell us it should be man. Man get on Facebook, trending, Abantu they're giving me advices, some are bashing me, some are telling me, yeah, I misused money. Which money though? Because I've never even tried.
Oh, you misused money.
Which money? Then now they're teaching me about split sheets. What is a split sheet? I'm coming to show it. Not like king split sheet. And split sheets are in.
Yeah.
What are you splitting? Do you even understand what are splits? And now I found her. Why you get information you told much? Then I put the text. Are short. Yeah. Are short on. Yo, I'm gonna cut a hole. Come short on. Short on. Like Papa or short on. Because I treated him like pops dog. He nature like a pastor life.
Yeah.
But still, I still felt like, how you record coach? None reckless put scene again. Yeah, put me for sports scene. By Ramadhan. Then I found millions from Baba Nanjo.
Yeah.
I was like, Mtana.
Just balance.
Yeah, I'm patch sharp.
Yeah.
More sharper. Because I'm going pale. Or I need pale, then you transport. I have to eat, I have to get dressed, come up and I'm a breadwinner at home. So it gives that thing already. Mang say Alex, and this, Alex and Sentin. Alex and Sentin, he's made it. When I come back at the hood,
because we are suffering.
Yeah, no, funny. Nempasha or you move, but I don't know, chief. I'm banging takes your no
money.
Yeah, man, there's no cash. None of niggas is into so called. Masicela sicela 200 ndathi alena sicocela hey the way mara makumele uye sentini giwa fast. Well then those things started rolling in my head with like amona haki yako kazi kivaya ka taxi. Mara haki liko sentini and Alex una di Viano H1s or not that. So those things ubona was dlaling
like that thing doesn't even come to like patience, bro, like
which patience though, because we have 5 hit songs.
But how long at that time before you cried?
After a year or 2 years, like these songs were made 2020, then I cried 2023 or 2022.
Yo,
that's 2 years. That I was more than patient, bro.
Yeah, you may think you were more than patient.
I feel like I was more than patient because I knew I'm a royalties after 1 year, 6 months. It's 6 months or 1 year. Yes, that's the split that I know from split sheet.
So you were quiet for like 2 years.
Thinking gonna be. No, I thought he's gonna hit me up. And then when things started lightening up, then when we get to Van, or like how did the apologies start working out? And when he apologized already, the singers told him. Forgave myself. I was like,
there you go.
Everything that happened, it is not easy, bear in mind.
Yeah, the comments.
Dog, not even the comments. Me living with that now I have a stamp with Europe.
And I see you.
It's all life, boy. I will walk you through it.
Yeah, and the thing. It's not no paragraph. Then that got into my head. And I'm telling you, Hotman, let's give me boy. I don't wanna brand you in shame.
Yeah. I
wanna brand you into this beautiful vocalist that you are. You're a hard worker, and you did the mistake that you did. Then Kadulisoki. Funny enough, Doc Nota gave me word.
Nota?
Yeah. The authority.
Yeah.
He was like, you have to work with Pastor again. You have to fix
Nota
things.
thinks in a way, but he's actually smart. I
respect that, bro.
Weird thinking, but smart.
Yeah.
Even the things he says, it's like Gangas.
The crazy guys.
It's
smart. I'm telling you, you can't be normal.
Crazy smart.
I don't remember well. Ufike sesixolelene. Yeah, besixolelene by the way. Because Alex. So I'm gonna start where because as champion so if there's a question I'm gonna come back, but if otherwise let's go to our apology part. Apology part, I mean Val protects me after a year or months. Oh, but I'm like, okay, it's like Ntona
Pastor
99.
I can't imagine.
Bro, I'm a class because Ben man Yamtan.
Goed man.
Yeah, like
that brother.
It's kind of like what the Ebopori did for Star.
You feel?
Yeah.
Yeah, at 5, I fought for him. I didn't even fight for him even.
You defend him.
Yeah, I defend him. Not to pass, not to Muntu wanting I love the first bottle of Hain. Not because it's a Krovin or anything. He brought a Hain for me. He bought me a 3-decker pizza while we were in studio for me. You understand? Those moments, I can't act like I forgot that.
The first time.
Yeah, I can't act like I forgot that. I can't forget with it. He made me be in features with more recent Zoom. Made me meet. Those moments I started kicking in. Now singing a and with and like Slimazel, no problem. I felt emotional. At Hotman,
you know what it feels like when someone who's figure out next thing call out on the internet. It's like
sabotage.
The money is so ungrateful.
Yeah, he's ungrateful. Legit.
There were times where I felt like I'm ungrateful, but I was like, but we both ungrateful.
You know the thing is,
but like at that stage you have to think. But as much as niggas it's comparable and then play, there are levels.
True.
Like he's ranking there compared to you. Not to the game, but compared to you.
Yes.
He's ranked up there. Yes. He's known. When the name Basta comes.
You know what I loved in everything that happened?
Yeah.
He mentioned something earlier this year. It was like, this man.
Oh, yeah.
I was so happy when he said that. Yes. He said Bessie. So him and I.
Both.
Yeah, because I come down. The hot man gave me I father him in Bizapa because like he did everything a father would have done.
Yeah.
Even though disagreements and disputes, but ekugcineni impilo ngifunde ngayo ukuthi label yini ngibona ngubasta mina.
You were just the
I was Then I saw how he moves. I was like, he has Tupa industry. He has before Tupa industry was Giftos and Pastor Nentune. No, before Bo Mfana Tupa. There was Mfana Tupa industry. Then Angazi Msebenzi to records.
Yeah.
Before the label grew, there was Basta and Giftos.
Mm-hmm.
So I was meant to be the first artist under Tupa industry. Yeah, na eyakhe label. Then yabo ukuthi ngafunda nama feature with ama features ava kanjani.
How does it work?
How do you call an artist? How do you treat people when they're in studio? Then those things ran in my head. Then he was like, let's meet up. I was like, hey, can we meet in a public space? Because I don't know how angry are you at me. Hot man.
Sharp, like,
Yeah,
just
like-
wants to resolve this.
You legit said, let's meet in a bar.
I can't even sit. I was like, then he was like,
Oh, it's a carnival.
yeah, then he was like, because Kiko Van, Canvas, it was close for me and him. That time, Nadula go Greenstone. And before he bought a house where he lives now.
Yeah.
You are Anton Zwagal. I was like, hey, ngizoshoda ngemali Uber alanzo kubela. Oh,
Hey,
and it touched me. Bro. I'm sapeni, ngiraze ngasho ithama lami libuyile.
Makabheka bonsuku ukuthi uzohlangana naye. So ukuthi
Yeah, because angisho sikahlangana.
Oh.
Ile fear leyo ukuthi ya ngibosihlanyise phone.
Come now.
Ngishela lo mntwana, ya uyomshela umtshela ukuthi mina nginja mina hey I love you forever tata. Mase kumele ukumitha man. Yamasom asakathi you coming or what? Uyatatazela man. Uzana ama excuse uzana ukugwababa phela. Uyinja lapho. But live face to face. But my fear was not based on ukuthi I was just afraid to meet him. I was afraid.
Because now, first time you met him,
Yeah.
it was on good things.
Yes.
Now it's another first time after bad situation.
Yes. So I'm like, how will it be? Now I'm castrating this thing in my head, just like reading a book.
Yeah, you was going step by step. Yeah,
Now I'm reading a book. Bro, I was like, pull through to my house. When I got to his house, I'm like, bruh, I'm proud of you. No, I'm proud of
No,
you.
he
When
said
I
he's
walked
proud
in,
of you.
I'm proud of him. When I walked in, there were more than 8 artists in the house. Or 6.
Yeah.
So in 6, more than 4 to take it down.
Mm.
Because it's more or less. I was like, look at what you're doing, dog. Instead of me, them. And it then there were managers, there were in drivers in the house.
There's a
There were-
massive growth.
This is a company now.
Yeah, it's
See,
bigger than
yes,
it is.
yes,
Yeah.
it's grown, and which is what I wished for. So people thought I wish him bad when that thing was happening.
Really?
I'm being a fool. No, dog. I didn't want him to lose gigs. I didn't want him to get into character. What's going to defamation of character?
Yeah.
I didn't want to defame him. I wanted to die. That's it.
That was your problem.
That's
a
it.
personal
I just
issue.
wanted to die. But with him, I wanted him to grow, but I wanted him to do what's right for the others.
Yeah.
With laba abanye ke bayenzele
Better next
grand.
time.
Le yam soze kai family yam.
Yeah.
Yabo. So when I walked in sahlala sakhuluma, yo man he said something ngagcina sengiranga namajita vele ngatshela gentlemen spanana mfethu. Most importantly what's important is
Wow.
for us to work. Nina njengoba ningafile ngathi niyabhayiziseka or baba nayo uzoniyenza lento ayenze mina.
No.
Da ni safe la.
Yeah.
That's what those are the words that I left them with. But Msamari Almighty knows where because they are the closest one. But I told them, boys, you're safe here. And I'm saying, jungle man, because gulang belong ako.
Yeah.
Say Latini, Marasne Tama Secret. Now I'm gonna say meeting in Sakuluma. I'm I spoke how I felt and we apologized. And was still too. He had 3 or 2 studios in the house. And he was like, as for Soplomada. Bro asked me to fetch him water. I was like, nigga, trust me, bro.
Like poison.
You understand?
I'll kill you, bro.
You understand?
I'll kill you,
You feel? He was like, when he said, Mlande Lama, Tom Lande.
Wait, you guys, were y'all like in tears?
On the session?
Like legit in tears, like
At the room,
In the room, nah. I cried in VAR. I var in Kali. I'm Sunday was not in Kali. Bro, it's like, why I call this so much? Yeah, that time, no. I'm a baby, bro.
No.
But me at the same time, that's what I'm saying. a mistake maybe when it's not talking to him first.
Yeah, now
Just going on social
and we shilo na
Yeah.
first lento leyo. But then enintela nkwatisa, there was a spokesperson who was under the label that said to me, "Le mali leya imali yanani imali ayikaphuma thatha." So it made me feel like ngathi mina ngiyantrayisa. Because
That's
of which,
wrong.
yeah, he's wrong ungena apha endabeni yami no baba na.
Because
Because angikhulumi ngibongekho mangicala.
Siqale sithu, if
And then
not-
the fight,
Yeah.
if I wanted the fight to be a community-based fight, I was gonna invite people and be like, "Oh, angifakanga muntu la." The fight was between me and Naito.
Yeah.
Angifakanga muntu, didn't add any spectators or visitors. But then ngabona abantu bengiphila nabo bangena la ngathi like, nawe marungena bita. And funny, when this thing happens to you, kumele nami intervene man.
Yeah.
Because umuntu yakho with entire logic.
Yeah, today
And I'm
it's-
not wishing you bad.
Yeah.
But I'm saying it might happen
It
to you
happens.
as well.
It's life.
This is life.
Yeah.
Yabo. So ngaba nalento ethi batho bomkokotelo
Fake people.
abantu imikokotelo sengiyabona ukuthi ku-90 ngifunda into ezibhaka kanjani.
Yeah.
Sangifunda abantu ngifunda nama-situations. Then I was like, "Hayi, I'll push mfana ka. Let's see where we're gonna be at or end up." Then we worked until this gift
Oh,
was there.
so he was like, whatever he said, it's all beyond us.
Yeah,
move.
let's forgive. He mentioned that he was hurt when he heard that. Because at the end of the statement it says, "R.I.P. Giftos." You might be reading this while I'm dead.
Yo.
So everyone was panicking about that. So it's like, ish. In fact, we almost lost the first vocalist from Eastern to ever do it in Amapiano like that. Bro, like when I look at myself and people tell me, sometimes but right now, when I sat down to myself, I was like, I was the first to ever do it like that, you know?
Yeah.
I inspired. Yes.
That's the first time. At
The start was a
the
vocal.
piano leader and
Yeah,
it's P.
Mina, I
So,
knew
yeah.
Lihleza, the vocalist or people who laced vocals and piano. Lihleza, Makosa, the uncle from Gomor, the MC from Gomor,
Yeah.
who told us T.
So let's see.
No, Nabobani.
It's T.
But
Yeah.
But when I came in, I
Yeah.
shifted something.
Yeah, you moved.
I shifted something. Bro, it wasn't Giftos before Stan.
Yeah.
You understand? It wasn't
That's what I'm
Giftos
saying,
before.
at piano's peak
You
time.
feel?
Like, he has introduced our industry.
Yeah, I'm going to like, yo. So that's when I look back, I'm like, yo, when you put a lento lego.
Because you know, your songs are
Which was
still
that?
those songs whereby people are like, yo, when is this piano coming back?
Bro, those songs, I'd hear people tell me that ngile lokanja,
You know-
matriculate ngale ngoma le. This song drove me from depression. Ngithi, hey baba, cha mina ngazi zangenzele lento lezi ngoma. When le ngoma zikusisa
That's what I'm saying, like-
mina azingenzelanga lezi zinto.
And you know,
Sure.
what's sad for me is when I see all the amounts of songs you've made. Like, when I first saw Giftos, it was
Yeah.
just a name.
Yes.
But like when I saw the face, I was like, I know all these songs, but I've never seen this guy. Who's this guy?
Yeah.
Well, so that was sad to me. I was thinking about it, it's like, and yes, there's a lot of artists like that. You hear the voice behind.
Yeah.
There's a
But
big
the
name on the
face.
song.
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a big name on the song. There's Maporis. There's Palimuloi. There's something like that. You don't see Palimuloi.
Who's this? That's when the visuals part start taking place. Because Leah Navabana Nasimutu what the music
Visuals,
video.
yeah.
But after all the occurrences or the occasion, the working, our disputes, that's when they started doing things differently. I'm like, ikufundise something now.
Yeah, now
So
you-
that means we have to say, I had to post that for us to grow like this.
That's why he said, Narale Babanya.
Yes,
That's
we were
what he
young.
said, yeah.
For him, it made me even understand what he understood. He read this from maturity.
Yeah.
He understood what I was feeling more than the public. The public was against him, but he read it. So his public was the people close to him. Because I'm sure the people that were next to him, they were saying, "Ayahlanga le ntwana. After yonke into yenzelwe yona, na. Isile, yabo." But he was reading it at a point to it, but intwana yami. And intwana yami ingincedile ukuthi sithole lama hits lawo.
Yo.
If it wasn't for him, if it wasn't for both of us, that's why ngingafaki. If it wasn't for both of us, this match wouldn't have happened.
Yeah. In a way, you all play each other's part.
Yes.
Going together somehow.
And for that, man, I'd like to say to artists, I'm not saying don't cry, but the internet is not a safe space to cry at.
Yeah, me, I'm saying be direct about it to that person at first.
Yeah.
You can kind of
Communicate.
try later, but for now feel too late. Zama ukulokhanja mlande lo muntu okulokhanja ukhulume naye manicala ukuyenza whatever business, whether it's music, life, what. Khuluma naye umtshele ukuthi mfethu ngicela ukubuza man, mhlamba khona ungasazi split sheet. Yabo? If awusazi split sheet uyabuza ukuthi Khotman la kule ngoma le mina ngithola. What's in it for me?
Yeah.
Or like
am I direct if you are like really in a bad situation?
Yes.
Khotman bengisacela ungizame ngasamthing nje
No.
uyobhekela endlini.
Yabo something flop like go straight as a business njalo.
Yeah, side
Yabo once
contract.
aqala yabo Khotman besides contract yabo Khotman Tongzam, they'll remind you I gave you this amount of money. Why let's do a begging? Kanti mawuzobuza with your share, I'll give you your share what's due to you. Then ngamanesi stick it to ukuthi ngikoloda mali. Or how much is due to you, or how much you might not even get.
Yeah.
Yabo ubuza lezo nto lezo like Khotis, am I ever gonna get a share from this song? Agmize, if you agmize, then ngamanu kwate so zamile phone. Mawuthema text abaphendula phone, mawufona abaphendula land management, mawukapeta shy email whatsoever, but get to the bottom of it. Usukuthi you have solid proof. Yokuthi I tried and we spoke about it. The muntu azange anginani. Then get BM Giftos post about it. Hey, but don't try to kill yourself. Post about it because angijabuli namangibona amachita khaya.
Yeah.
Niyahetheka, feel like yo. I sometimes even feel like I'm the cause of this dog. I'm one of the people who caused this one.
What?
This kind of work.
Starting to cry.
Yeah, especially machita one.
Yeah.
Because like man, say kalabante ngibazi yona. You feel bad. It's like yo, I wish I was there to comfort and tell out here or
Don't cry on the
with
social.
my dad.
At least izuzokhuluma nami njengawuthi yakho.
I mean, now if ufuna ukukhuluma nami, I'm here. For people, if you want to talk to me or get advice, with like, oh you're depressed, feel like because sometimes you're not even dropped, you didn't have the full information. Yeah, hit me up, I don't mind, DM me, show money. This is what I'm at all because marriage or gift. This is what I'm going through. I don't know what is a split sheet. I don't know what is an artist feature contract. I don't even know where Sambro is at.
So, Pela, the thing is sometimes like when you look at someone from far, you feel like that person is
Untouchable or
unreachable. You can't find
guys, pull up, man.
It's like because I also notice with people who podcast,
Sure.
they find it hard to just text and be like,
they feel like our numbers determine where we're going and where we are sometimes. And it makes people feel like if this guy is getting 10k views, and 10 foot are saying 10 million, I'm prophesying 10 million views.
Me, I'm not saying people can't come to the podcast.
Yes.
I'm saying let's see you're pushing.
Yeah,
I don't mind the numbers, but let's see the talent and let's see your pushing.
When they're coming to the podcast, but in terms of getting in a be featureable. Yeah. So
exactly.
Even here on the podcast, be everything that's worth to be called.
Be worthy.
Yeah, be worthy.
Make yourself worthy.
Yeah, I would like massive bees and it's a busy. Because Allah Azanga, and what I love about this podcast, you guys don't. And kuluma conversation, it's live. Discussion.
I always tell my people like whatever happens, let's avoid the drama. Cause
don't be afraid to ask the drama.
No, I mean things like trending drama, like if we can still set our own trends and be like Giftos, and you tell us something people will listen to. That's motive, that's real, that's genuine, that's
people can relate to that.
People can relate.
And bear in mind, this is the first time I actually like had a sit down to share and unpack what happened like in the.
But you know what's crazy? You're not the first person to say that because there was this other guy we had on. Shout out to Posty. He legit said, I don't understand what's happening. I feel like you spiked my drink because I'm telling you things. I'm not supposed to tell you.
I've been wanting like to unpack it.
That guy was like, I like how you do things here because you unpack real life things. You don't get here, then you booze me.
That's
my chat. I was about to say, we didn't even ask. You just said it yourself.
So for me, I feel like people are, Ningabi nemuva kakhulu man. Ngicabanga ukuthi I'm not even afraid to talk about it.
Yeah.
Yeah, abantu banokungibuza basabi, "Eish manje ntaba kuma podcast manje ntana lento yakho leya ne Hotman."
But I know if you wanted to me, I was gonna ask you that.
Like I've grown from it and happy. But I distribute my own music because of a pastor dog. I'm signed under the same distribution company that is under.
Oh, the one you are
Eventually Music
right
Group.
now.
Yeah, distribution is under there. He's numbing down. I know him and Pastor are there. So yeah, understanding things fundile way.
Yeah.
Now my trades because sometimes I even had to learn from afar.
Yeah.
Oh, he's moving like this. This is what I want to do in my future.
Yeah.
Or in the long run. So it's time alarm.
Yeah, let's take, we'll come back to them.
Yeah.
Let's talk a little bit more personal life.
Sure.
With the time alarm.
Yeah.
There's more like how ukhule kanjani nobani?
Mama's boy. That's what they call it.
Yeah.
Mama's
You
boy.
have to be.
Yeah, raised by a single parent. It was his Nomsa. Shout out to her. Which camera do I look at? Shout out to his Nomsa. I love my mom.
Yeah.
My mother comes first to me. Cousin, mama, time.
You know, I had to interject a bit.
Yeah.
I hate y'all guys. Like, every person that comes here and is making a good living for themselves,
Yeah.
they have daddy issues. Come on.
I mean, my pops passed away.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Oh, because like some believe,
Now, even if it's time I'm going to love her, then you'll ring us.
like, I
Because it's
can't.
salid, dog. The stem side can play a role.
Yeah.
So, but it's not the same. But
Yeah, sometimes
you
we think
leave me to
about-
the world, you leave me
You
like
leave
that.
me, dog.
You have to be in the jungle sometimes, bro. At least to put that
You have to be in
something.
the jungle.
I'm kidding. Like it depends on what this color ganja.
Yeah.
But otherwise, minute I'm lapod.
Mhm.
And Oledo was there for me my whole entire life. My pops died before I was even born.
Before.
Yeah, Oledo la preka. Then 8 months or 7 months before Zozalo. Or man took Zalo lapod. Then for the man took Zalo. Lapod. So pet makapoda. Grew up and raised by this single woman and then my link charity. Umamaki. Come 24, 23
When you got pregnant, yes.
Mangza. So but umntana uzele. Not 23, 24. I didn't like baba la hala baba. Like limpikise from pregnant. And abortion was not popular at that time.
Yeah.
And it was not a conversation ungaveli ikhuluma nje ukuthi uzomkhipha umntwana. But uma gogo wami beka against her being pregnant.
Yeah, she wasn't pleased.
Yes, she wasn't happy because the firstborn
Like,
mama.
it's like she's young, but
Yeah,
she's old.
she was old. Nama felt like she was
Yeah,
old.
she was
But
old.
mama mati and that mama was hard on them. I was like, but shout out to Grands again.
Yeah.
Because if Grands was easy on you, maybe
Oh,
see eight.
maybe.
I see eight.
Yeah.
So shout out to Grands.
16.
Yeah, I'm
Yeah.
I was like, shout out. Then she was like to me, as uThema uqedukuzalwa, uMachris like, wakuthanda.
Immediately.
Are kemphoyaka. My grandmother told
Now that's
Oli, so
where
my
the name
mom
comes from.
my mom said gift Sibusiso Machris are kemphoyaka. That's where I lived with my grand and I'm ngani wagogo wami. Usisika gogo wami kancane passed away as well. Ukhokho wami, umama kagogo wami
Yeah.
also passed away.
Coco!
Oh,
You an idiot.
Bro, like, so like, but we never want to and I love the fact that I can you know what I used to do to my cocoa dog.
Yeah.
I remember this very well. On the first of the month, I forgot what month. I think it was December or no. June, July, because the schools were closed.
Yeah.
This woman is like, I'm fit to Kolonka, and you learn Somali, I'm sorry.
Oh, so you're from Swaziland?
No, not Swazi, Mpumalanga. I can go. Magrizu uhlale eXaXa nomndeni eligazi.
Bro, Mpumalanga, me, I'm confused. At this point,
Yeah.
I don't know Mpumalanga. I don't live there. At this point, I just visit.
Yeah.
Just go have fun.
Yeah.
Yeah, umsati mbamba again.
Yeah.
Baba Msili, then Mawa Malinga, Machi. So nje kuningi, but let's focus on the Mpumalanga part. So uMachris amphethu uthi kimi umbeke mfonela udrive. Umntana kaMachris, which is my grandfather, usisika gogo ubhuti kagogo wami ngisho. Because ukhokho wami lo ya.
Yeah.
So ushuthi umama kagogo wami. Umntanakhe umkhulu wami. Umntanakhe benalo ulpete. So mawupheteka kunemoto lapha kunemoto zakhe. Mama shikaraka mina ngicava ubhestiyo. Kumele ngifonele le bestera ukuthi izosikhapha sinomagogo. Magogo ngimtshela sisasuka magogo mina zonginesa mfana. Payday fana. Magogo ka buy nix dog. She doesn't buy groceries, she doesn't buy herself medication, nothing.
She just has money.
Yeah, she's getting the coin for Matama Gogo zonginesa. Must figure line in that I think it was 1.5, 1.4 for our Gogo. Magogo ndathi hey mntana nginika 100 rand.
Out of 1.5.
Sengiyibonile ndathi ngathi 9. Gogo out of 1.4 utlom 500 rand. Ari mntana ngitokuphe 100 rand kude ngikhona sangibalile itori. Uthi gogo ngeke. Kushayile grocery list. Sabe savayisa eshop amiyeka wathenga umuntu ongumani spinach igushe izinto zakhe lezi ezithandwa uye. She loves green herbs and vegetables. Yes. Because she even sold. So some of the people that work there are her colleagues. So ngathengisa khona emholweni. Masiphuma sanibona njani? Yamthanda vele nda. Ina 70 le magnet. Ngathi ngizokubona ukuthi mina ke ngina 16 manje. Wathi gogo. Yawathi Doritos. Ngathi mfana mazi. Yini kona lo? Ngathi Doritos mfona gogo ngone masnacks amnanzi njani. So ngicela ukuthenga Doritos. Sithenga namasweet, sithenga nama any store la sithuko phela sithuphe. And it's a big house. So I'm like, mama stress mama li radio gogo ngibukela TV store dlalo ka. Pumala. 9 because I used to visit. Yeah. So now Makoko besakasika, so they besukufuna umuntu ozobloma no.
Yeah.
I was lephela isiphethe kahle yafunda, so I took my textbooks, I went back. And ngifuna makoko pheka lapho.
You know, you plan the week.
Yeah, bicycles and there's a no man kumbula got 100 rand. So I'm like makoko, we're gonna spend this money with me, mama. We spent almost 300 rand. Nake. Ngenzo grade 9 ngadlala chief.
I know more than that.
I know more than that. So, what's got to buy? Guess what my grand said? I'm gonna tell him for a store. Keep aside. I come and buy it. The blue flavor.
Yeah.
Which is sweet chili.
Yeah.
Yes.
Oh, I'm satisfied. Dog.
W.
Is it that thing that
W.
I'll do like this?
Yeah.
That's spiritual. I'm like, yes. That time I come and pack a tank.
Sorry, go. Mara uthi
Sorry.
Utsa, wena uthi sorry phela uthonga.
Sama thing that I'm weird nje gogo mina ngithi hayi singara ngizenza umuntu arani manje gogo senda njani. Manje gogo senda njani. Ngiyatha victim ndoda. Ngazi yini perpetrator. Ngithi manje gogo senda njani. Hayi mtawadla nombala. Awuthi ndishaja. Kubekhala bathi tindzaba tasithi gole bale le FM thatha ama snacks ngabawo. Hlale TV buye TV lalela radio mina. Buke TV ngikha ngidla Doritos. Ne khabethe ucela lento zami. Khona nama Kellogg's.
Ene manje
gogo kumdonga kusini.
ene manje masekaza into yi-1 yakho akaenjoy.
So that was the funniest story, and I wish I hope I get my family members to watch this episode because I haven't told the story.
Yeah.
But then I tell people who think, how do I hold up such a thing?
Yeah. How
do I
some lies are like, how
did you get here? But for me, like, it's one of the stories that made me say, shout out to Ukoko.
Yeah.
Then within that, how we overspent another cash off that money, she got sick. So when she got sick, I was given responsibilities in the grade 9. I was shocked, I was
But
scared.
that time you were not visiting, you were staying there full time.
No, I'm visiting for government holidays.
Yeah.
So
3-4
first
weeks
week,
there, yeah.
first week she's getting paid. Second week she's getting like signs, symptoms of she's gonna get worse. How the next day we went to the clinic. So
Yeah.
we call the guy who driver. We get to the clinic. They're like, "Magog, you're gonna have to sleep." Oh, Gogo, I'll read that. Like Magog,
she's being admitted.
yeah, she's hot-headed. I'm calling me. Dog, what scared me was when they injected my grandmother. I was like, it's shocking. Like, yeah,
When you see that, it's scary.
I'm training cars. I'm like, but I never admit. We were very. Dog, the way I used to say, "Oh, I want to go home alone." That day, I felt alone.
Yeah.
Yeah, I felt lonely.
You wanted it, but now that
yeah,
it's
like
there,
I used to. But even from later, was like, "Oh, I'm about home alone." I'm getting to the other side part. It's like, yo, being alone is not nice.
Yeah.
So
for the wrong reasons.
Yeah, for the wrong reasons. But yo, I felt the house dry, dog. Because we couldn't uncle la miss blow man in the media. But about blow me na tenly. We lived together Tennessee too. Then bonabanga pandle romini. Nano mga bibani room la pan, marabanga blow me nam doing pro man makoko. So that night in that so a hamba mind. Engiyazizwa na ngifani yohanda phela ngijwayele ukuvana amagogo masiye endaweni masiphuma soyithu singena soyithu this time around I'm leaving her hey man akusekho mnandi man ayingavaya sengibhalelwa ama list nda ngibuzwa ama list yeah amagogo ufuna ini ngiyabhala ePool wathi why am I doing this for my grandmother we're supposed to be buying over Doritos having fun chilling in bed it hasn't kicked in kicker in sasakakhona sebathimile somvakashela nama visiting hours
hospital
it's like what this thing is real amagogo yakule ayimvasha kokusiqala then ngafunda la ukuthi amanye umntana inhleke yazozilawula dog kumnandi ba umntwana ingena nangamabanzi khathi mina esibhedlela
umntwana
mina angazi ukuthi abantu abantwana maybe I'm that special kid and actually kids are not allowed to enter esibhedlela angazi ukuthi from what age to what age but mina la mase ngiyacheck hey man bengina 14 mara bengena ngiphuma la and the scary shit that I saw there bro I was like oh man fuck guys
hospitals.
It's not nice, bro.
I don't like hospitals.
I get sick when I'm in the hospital.
Yeah.
Like I just feel like I didn't love to be there. Like,
ha, magogo angenzeli film that. Bambhayela, bamnesa lo muntu ntwana. And ngisho that namsukela kokwami. Ngithengela ama Sunday course. He was only going to film. But let's go especially Sunday.
Yeah.
Fish has none. Ngithanda lokuthi amagogo ami ladala then mangayithanda kayithandi lo you guys gonna have
like all people are like that they're real
akadlali baba like ngana ukuthi untozama hayi athi awufuni hayi buza umuntu wrong
bapress after
buza umuntu wrong muzamna ngokudla uthi awufuni baba ngakushabekela but ukuthi ukudla kasesibhedlela kubi that's when I became an advocate for ukudla kasesibhedlela
no salt no nothing
no salt utakasala that's proper.
Legit, but the ones that taste that's why.
Make the rules. Tell the people that visit you to bring you spice. That's what.
Bring me wings.
No, not that. Like how you want your food to taste like. Yeah, because they'll serve you good healthy according to them. So, but this is not the health that I want. I'm famous. So ngiyalifuna letswayele extra bo so sidle nomagogo ndodanga ngaba pissed amlethele Sunday course and Sunday course ngazi ukuthi lokudla karabe kunjani but kunama restaurant ukuthi mawungakudlanga namhlanje ukudla uzobona ama films kusasa yeah and then ngomala ngiyashisa phela ndata mangifika la ndata kambe ngikhama kanjani lo ukudla phela babekela phambi kwami siya esibhedlela ngikhama self-tema ndata ngababuza lokudla kwagogo lo kudla kwagogo lo bathi kudla ayile mangifika esibhedlela nto bolile mfana angakwata blind ntwana andimogogo kudla bolile yo gogo wayi wangakudlanga ngakabe tsivana gogo marana flop ngonga that's when I got to understood it like hey mina might have thought kumnandi because gogo strict ntwana so that's why I used to feel like yo gogo ndoda ngathi ngaba home alone but that season dog felt like hell when she was in hospital because I was an everyday person mase ngiyasibhedlela because now some feeling at this pedal is exekhaya then the hospital became home for me my second home because 2 weeks of being there dog is not nice so until the masuk 4 days uthi ikolo sivule magogo bamdischarge oh that's so nice the whole family is there but ngathi party then that's my type of background from uthando lokamagogo nokukhula so as that kid man because ngane liskela khulise olady and olady la mangikhumbula kuzumuntu ekhaya azothini ugift uphula ifestera la kwami or ugift yenze bengikanga syndicate mina into engizigangile ngeke uzithola ngizingane store kodwa with like hayi mangijolile ngishaya mnandi nokugeza because ubuchela bakenza ukuthi ugeza that's why that's what made me love it
boy you wash socks you wash line is a bit kola makaos
uzibuza manje wash amajoki
adlalitis sonke besidlala nekudlala uthupalo wathatha when I got to kanjesi 10 masewuzazi
Yeah,
when awareness I
self-aware.
started being anhlanhla nakhe inkomo
You looked at yourself and take it east.
ngiyala basithengelile amabhola endlini ngiyalidlala la strateni akuvuki ntana ngivuka kumathashana amaqhumsize amagame engqondo labo 4 room ethatha ngaphaphela ngathi mara lana ngivukile ngathi ngaqala sengenzana ngavimba
Keeper.
yeah, cheating game because that's the keeper is a coach as well. So I'm coaching inside the game. Yeah, I can even blame
You can see
the. So
everything.
I in my head I was like, meaning you blame my defender. My poor, I can't you can't say it's me. Ganjan, Ben Gupin, Kim Ganjan, don't even type in I'm saying someone you can't feel type in
Shoot say Ganjan.
But I find a penalty. You should get like basic pay in the song. So let's call him game. I'm Sami. I'm going to say now. Lady, back to lead now. Some Sami. Who could Nina Ben Mele? Who
Yeah.
That's my intake. That's how I pre-planned to look again.
But you know, when you are not created something, you always shift the blame to someone.
Then the good part of me was it was hard to score me. Ebali. Bengabamba namabhola. This is what I'm good at.
That's why I never scored and you're complaining.
Yeah, when they score me, I blame you, dog. Blame even the strike who died to a fault. When balithathe kuibhola abangiza ne442 ethi balithathe kuibhola wena ngikhombele strike nale phambili badlula wena kanti bashaya mina anemnengi yi1 lapha lina understand uyabona lento mina ubani ozongidefenda angiza nawe ke la Aquinto. Isso não é excuse. Dá uma volta perguntou.
Ne batolisa kuwe.
Pela eu keeper. Then guess where my job ended, dog. Or my football career ended. Was my target on my one part. School.
Show it has been man.
Funda la commando.
Oh, manje usakwazi ukufika.
Manje akuyakhipha. Career yami yaphela. Career yami
Ufune command which year?
2006. From 2006 in grade 1.
Carry you and him have familiar journeys. The commando at Dal Park.
Yeah, Dal Park Sec as well.
Really?
Yeah.
What year was the part?
I mean, 2018, 2017.
Yeah, so you know Oniko.
Yeah, Oniko Nyamtaba, Mr. Principal Unkosi, Mjanyela.
Hey, ningakhulumi ngeDan Park la meceda abantwana bakhona abangasubscribe.
I don't go to say macho.
Yeah, I was performing alien ngizoba
Yeah.
So
You were performing there?
Yeah, this year and last year as well. So this year I performed for the matriculants. Last year, matriculants. Last man. Performed level lawa 2024 nala 2024.
But the feeling is great when you go back to your previous school. Now you're becoming someone, not just.
Yeah, you're not going there as. And the respect is different. Why kuba kanje? But it feels good because like I also get a hiding but like I get those difficult questions. What's going on? Like how are you making money?
The real ones who know you like gift
but and in terms of bonke kala batisha bazali mfana but gift ngisho siyabona ukuthi kenzakala music what are you doing like do you pray, do you believe in God, do you protect yourself from all this like how are you making
like,
money,
where are you?
Yes, so abadala batisha they are not acting, they are not my groupies.
That's the great thing about our teacher at school. They know it's about kulisi.
Yeah, in a way they kind of know your true self, right? They know you better than you know yourself. Because those actions that you do every day, you feel like they monetize you. This one is like this.
No, what Miss Kanjubana, bafundisa English ngikhohle ukuthi remember. Athi gift nithi ma'am. Cabanga siqeda ukufokwa nje mhlawumbe ngathi this fairy test or something. This is high school. It made sense after high school. She was like, why don't you go to a dancing school? But the way she said it and it told me room already that I'm not sorry. Can in the wrong side? Then nothing young bizong advice. And the future was dope advice. She was like, cause Masaka add on that some like you shut up.
Now it's serious.
No, man, you touched the first point. Understand? That time, I understand. I'm going to art school. I'm like, marume mujwayela kabi ntana.
I'm trying to say I'm incapable
Yeah,
of
I'm not going to
understanding
fail the
this.
test. It's not going to fail the test. There's something wrong that I did.
Man, who's a book
Baba, lo muntu uthe gift. Kathula batu. Why don't you just go to an art school?
That's okay.
Oh, yeah, told you I would try there. My advice is
They're playing football sometimes. Right now.
Like it's funny at school, but when you think about it, that's proper advice.
It's just grade 9.
Yeah.
Grade 10, I took economics. Shout out to business and economics. Shout out to Mms Kosana Jr. She pulled up for me heavily in life. She was the first woman to even buy me a metric jersey. She helped out with transport. Mms Kosana Jr. and Ms Kosana Singh. She changed it to me married. She pulled up for me.
Married, yeah.
Pulled up. The guys was bright. Because now, I mean, in the engathenjiswayo from endlini was uyabona endlini kunjani mntwana.
Yeah.
Siyabhayiziseka. So it's either you work hard in school or you suffer and die. Last words, die. Because my mom exists more talking. Utazi ukuthi impilo inzima. Hayi, utazi ukuthi la hayi impilo inzima like gift. Ungalala nantombazana uzogula, uzokujaya ukuthi ndata mawunyobana namantombazana. Uzothola HIV, STI.
That's it.
Mangayifaka straight talk.
That's it.
That's what made me grow and understand. It's like
You gotta be straightforward too.
Impilo enzima to that point. So back to the soccer career. Substituting it this this career phela man.
Oh, after soccer, that's when you're like, let me try music.
No, I was into business as well. But now, a business embassy is sata disc because it is skin badge. And it's
So when Zima what could you
a scale high. It's better on my bond like you look cheap badge disc and the image you want 15 minutes, the break is 1 hour or 45. And then as feed the same time. So Vietnam I try 2 or 3 mix. So ngiyazi ukuthi asiphetha ngamapondo neta ithura eka 5 up imagine baba lo skatle sa
27.
no you are
This guy is talking like yours.
1990.
I'm talking 2007 2008 no if I want kids in the grade 3 with grade 3 sihlangene samathura
Bro.
ba le thura ngihlangana bekunzima so manje ngibheka career yami yaphela ngithi ukukhipha basekho sekumele ngakora ngenhlanhla I had bro saying the fun masibakora nangama inentana
Umponzi.
hayi mama awathi imponzi ngithi ntwana deep down I wanted to respond him ngathi mina egcineni ukoreni I don't like it nashaya umponzi mina asangifavor lezi because bengingafuni ukuyidlala ne kwashoda umuntu bathi asifake nokhipha madoda faka inkomo egcini manje ngizodifenda faka inkomo egcini boom makorisa ngazi bangenzani mara ngakora antana ngakwatha thatha ngazi ngenzani that ngathi pa umponzi kwachifta like bonka ngathi ngithe base ya chifta le ngasho umponzi waba ikoli ngaba istaff lena for the year out of that ngiphinda ngadlala after that ngiphinda ngadlala sebakafa abantu nananas like you I don't want to break my heart ata ngapha singaqala grab
Fuba clean, futhi
Ngiyazona lezi skela tanga.
mina phela ndata nginezinto ezithweni ezenzana that I'm a businessman like ecoma mobile scale kuba ngathi like yes I come from a poor background but not makatshela ukuthi yini ngini bayahlupheka njengoba uthengisa it's different that andifuna ukumtshela ukuthi ashiyele ekhaya bayahlupheka esahlupheka to I'm not doing this because
at a young age you can't
no
just
one understand
at this stage you get it
noma bakuphoqa ndathi ngosiphaphelwe wena ngisahlala singathenga lamasido akho phela
at that stage
ngithi home like no usethatha amasido ami yeah futhi nalo chela konzo umtshala umchela kudoni yaphapha ufuna isikolothisela yeah ufuna isikolothisela wena ya phapha wena I'm like no masimbeni la now I have to keep a character I have to do nani now it's this football career that's not going well
So
then I had to
draw
drop
Olivier.
did one thing went to
score.
I scared we were cool
Yeah.
I played cricket kancane then did athletics let's talk
this brother did everything.
I was experimenting.
Whatever works hard.
As long as I find
umtsepho yahambe yazi that
Yeah.
angatheli imali ntana maybe sahlukana Ngicabanga ukuthi grade 8 at Al Park yena yasana grade 7 sahlukana kanjalo like she literally asked me ukuthi can you please break up because we're high school and uzobona abanye
like varsity in the high school.
Yeah bro at we high school uyobona abanye lapho ngamthanda dog I'm like why sihlukana
Oh love boy.
yeah bro like bengayiwanda doda
Yeah.
like kwabona uthanda umuntu for loving everything about you.
Yeah.
When who was the background again in your head you're thinking yo she loves the fact that I'm poor, she loves the fact that
Yeah, that's
ngiyazenzela dog bengisilebhayela nethafisi ngisilebhayela incathulo I dressed up myself from grade 3 up to grade 7. Yes, my mom was there but it was challenging for her
Because selling money sweet.
yes amatheni lawo
Yeah.
ugele aqala ukugula nini my mom started getting sick grade 3 so that's why I even oftenly had to go to Mpumalanga sometimes. Grade 3 my mom is sick. Grade 2 I started this business amatheni. Shout out to OCT out here young fuck it's 1100 ntwana sikhela ama 2 rand why singabuy ama elegance or something 10 cent ekas yeah then so buy sala esikoleni ngithubo I was like nigga you crazy where did you think of that shit bro?
10 cent to 2.
Yeah like he did 100% profit.
Yeah, double.
He did it.
Double.
First stock which was 150 so it's 3 rand. The price I sold out. So when 6 rand. 6 rand sold out. Just 12 rand for a pack. Pack from a pack. So the 12 rand a pack. It's I think 20 rand. Then our profit is 8 rand now. Because 12 rand. No, we 8 rand a pack.
Yeah.
And then profit 8 rand a pack yonke makuyi 8 rand. Thina sithengisa total kuba 20 rand. Then the profit kuba imali 12 rand. Stock price 8 rand. From there sacabana umntwana ovuleke ngavule yami esikele same thing ipayisa amathini nampayisa amathini so kumnandi ibeef mayikhona but the business isachubekela phambili so the reason I'm giving him a shout out is because from that I became this the business mindset I played a role and like I got to feed myself, I got to transport myself from Brakpan to Etakan back and forth. The bus will be 5 rand to go, 5 rand to go.
This life is difficult.
Now
the buses are 5 rand.
Yeah, that was hard. Don't you remember Evuyo? It takes Kolama takes there. And so Brakpan High was split into 2, GET and FET. So I used to walk to a commando, Manga stop to Vuyo so that I can catch Ilentele 5 rand. As a student.
A primary even, not just student.
Dog, guess what when Vazi Pindlena, grade 4, I think. The first time I walked a station. And then she had a pass as a station. I wanted to be cool, man. Don't have pass 4. And because some mixed things come 4 p.m. like late after school and because transport already was so I had to drop transport when my mom got sick. Transport, I think, we 300. And they pass 5 rand, 50 rand a week. Understand? I save. And 200 a month. Understand? So I'm like, and I'm not saying my mom getting sick was a blessing in disguise, but her getting divorced was a blessing for me.
Getting divorced with?
Yeah, she got divorced. Yes. Yeah, I loved Brur. He nurtured me. But I think I'm not wishing her with like divorce. But after the divorce, yes, she got sick. But after all those circumstances and because I could have cried. Hi, mama mzang bam divorce. Ngabe yonke into grand. Mama mazanga kule. Ngabe yonke into grand. But ngabe mina grand now.
Yeah, true.
So hence ngithatha ama disadvantages ngaphendule
positive stuff.
Yes, for me but like I'm solely nix ba
I don't regret anything. I'm here because of what happened.
Millions then moved high school man sister Brur is from the burbs. Brur speaks proper English. Brur is quiet. Brur is loved by the hands. So now I'm dropped in primary by my failed soccer career and my relationship. Now I'm in high school. I have to compete with you guys.
So we're competing.
Different background.
Yeah, now I can't sell seats now.
These guys from Del Park, this guy like. Del Park, you get one thing, you roll.
Yeah, I roll or you call it.
And then episode like episode is like
I was there.
Oh like hell, dog. Angeke.
I'm getting 50 rand. They pay like
So deep. Then I have to compete with this bro. 50 and I'm getting petite. When I believe you little boy. When it things in. Ngenzeka baba ngabe nemali yokugibela kusasa. Ayikale tell.
Yeah.
So choose your struggles wisely.
10 rand.
10. Thelele 10 nemali yokukhwela yokuya nokubuya. Because bengivanga ngebhasi. But or ticket ligcwele. Le 10 ngenzeka la Monday iphela. Chances
are Tuesday ngahlala ingekho.
your thoughts. So I came up with another business. So then my mom was also selling cakes. Weekends I used to sell amakwini. Door to door.
Hey, you grinding, yo.
Dog, I wanted this cheese, soft life cheese. What shit,
From
dog.
Dala.
From Dala. Ngasitshela ukuthi angeke ngibukeke njengeyinkinga zami.
Yeah.
And angeke ngithathe inhlupheko yami. I can't walk like my problems, more especially.
You can't
ngiyabezwa abantu
the
bathi,
situation.
look, I mean I can't walk like my problems, dog. And I can't also blame value situations. It's true.
Yeah.
Well, that's when I was like, you know what? Let's do business, not got lucky. I'm government can again.
Yeah.
Can again was like, hey, please clean my room. So her class was a library. They changed a class into a library. They changed our library into a class.
Into a class, yes.
So this woman was like, boy, clean the library. I'll pay you $40 every after school. So I cleaned it 2 times a week. And I clean my born and that. Sometimes this cat is seated. Yona ngiyaqeda but ngisho amabhasi ayi2 already le bus le meal esike after school no ngicina ngikhola 40
ngisho amabhasi mahala
ibhasi itag uthenga itag a week
maye imali ichile kwenzani
no lengishiya ngovele kumele lingishiye lokusiqala lela esikolweni kumele ngisale nje ngiclean lokusi2 ileli labantu abadala ngifika ngo3
staff so
ngo3 then lokugcina ngifika ngo4 la ngishiyelele ngo4 kumele ngikhwele ranking and ngiphethe tag mali nginayo but I can't afford to waste this money.
The tag also you pay.
The tag I pay but I bold.
Yeah.
I can tap even next week but I'm full kushaya ibhasi ngisave it at all costs. So I'm like, guy, poison. I'm visiting out here for fortune. I'm done. As clean as we two, then we share for 2020. Then my was like, nah, don't worry, I'll give you $60.
30.
Then 30.
Wow.
I was like, thank you, man. From there on,
You were just cleaning.
yes, cleaning
Cleaning the library.
library.
So-
as a class,
Oh, so at that park where they were not people who were cleaning.
we were corner, but remember extra water done.
Generous.
We can clean now, but I remember
Another thing is, abantwana besikolo amaklassweni beningaclean kan.
clean class lane.
Oh.
Yeah,
clean
like,
roster,
you have
clean
days,
class
yeah,
lane.
you have
Then
days.
they are a library, but remember ngana class kahle. Akana class. Kanti bathini? Go to your
So-
it's your what? Class teacher. So she was not a class teacher. Ngana class because
So basically, say, ma'am, I'm having this struggles. I wanna start a business.
not even. She hit me up. She needed someone to clean.
She just
didn't know.
Coincidentally.
No, I was there that time. I think I was sweeping the class when everybody left. She's like, yeah, person, why don't you do this for me
Every
like,
day.
every Wednesday and Friday?
Mhm.
I was like, oh, ma'am, before telling her my struggle. Then when time goes by, I thought, hey, ma'am, I was a commission. I mean, we have a stature English. Because everything. That's the best part of being in Dal Park that time.
English wise,
So,
yeah.
mfana khona bo mama mandi nabotaki bakhona mara ukhuluma
International.
isizulu ngathi uyafuna nje. Hayi mama, guys lalelana nabolalelani guys. Listen yeah baba.
There was only the Zulu teacher.
Yeah,
you know,
kulapho nalapho but
Yeah.
nonetheless say baba khuluma English so mama was like, hey person, so where you from? Chala from Betakana. Your mom's pops and such. Now I break down my story. 2 weeks after that, after I introduced the child,
Yeah.
kaphuma iSpan emakho. Dog, ngambheka so mem. Ngabheka le macede. Biza abantu bathi bazoregister. I never registered but I was called for the job.
Connections.
Connection. That's where it's not sometimes about what you know or who you know.
Yeah.
And vice versa. Mina get what you know worked out for me.
Oh, you who you know.
Who you know, I mean,
Yeah.
and what you know as
Yeah.
well. So my mom
what you know, yeah.
yeah, because who I knew was her.
Yeah.
What I know is I can do this. I can
You can
juggle
grind,
school. I
I
can
can
juggle
do it,
school and
yeah.
do this. Yeah. Now me working messed up the schedule so clean. So now I have to be an agent. Doctor was clean. Because I have to leave early on Fridays. Because
after grew up a criminal, this guy. He was training to be a mafia.
I was pimping this early. I planned. Yeah. No one harmed.
But you were putting people on.
Yeah, I looked like Antana. Man came up with huge business opportunities and she handed them over to me. Like, gift, I'm gonna bring muffins tomorrow. Who can we use to sell? I'm the first. That time, got to pelele business, I must space cook. And got to give violent. I'll tell me a pasty. I asked him, talk a week before, who's a mahal? Then a week later, we're in business, we're booming. I asked him, bro, what happens if you get arrested? He's like, I mean, I'm using it. What?
That is mad.
Bro, you know what he's saying? He's like, you're too who?
And he leaves you, man.
I'm the people who's back to me.
But he's honest.
He was 18 that it ain't done again. But to show that in the Lapicas and the Conabata Babati, like Bafunavis, Papi, Kid, Bazos Price. I'm not doing it. But I can't be my father to one. I'm not the Makakila to look gift. But I'm in a pyramid. Give on to oh, Mamma done banging on my shift. I'm already so 50. So in the pyramid, him or if we change pyramid at the top, I'll just buy at the top. Yeah, let's buy selling canteen. Yeah. Then go buy in on one because the chef and the suppliers. Then underneath. Ile supply wangengane and mina ngithi if chain ngifuna pyramid ibe incane ngifuna kube ile advertising canteen nathi kuphela
yes
mayena nabantu bathi siyenzele
ithi le kuhamba mina and the cover bosho nomele ngikhiphe one Sneyman lezomdubula ke leyomdubula ke and he loved us so
you're building an empire
That's why I asked him what to talk. What happens if we get arrested? I'm like, I asked him before he implemented. I'm seeing the light. That we made 250 a day.
That's what I'm saying. Now, body potential
yeah, but so some kind of expand, but I'm thinking when we expand, who's gonna be protecting us? Because when Funama soldiers, because I survived all the time. So I had no choice when I had to. Yeah. But then I stopped before it gets to that. Yeah. So I asked Bru and I changed the statement. I think
that's what I'm saying. He's honest. He's honest.
Honest about shit, dog.
Shout out to him.
No,
he helped you.
No, you know what he's doing? It shows he cares about you. That's why he's being honest.
Yeah, he wanted me to die.
Wait, if I didn't care about you, I was gonna say, when it comes, same quick power. But he's honest because he cares about you.
Shout out
to the boy.
Shout out.
It's like if from where you are taking full risk,
that day, I think we made 3 people. Gave him one pink and like as a story. So stop and the last day, dog.
What was the
that dog? When he said I was like, I'm going, I'm buying one. And when they said, yeah, that was my parents name was no man ngati tama care manje but it's captain sasekhaya when they do khama
double searches for crazy
that face in every school cops in
field so I felt like what if not that they come so or babu next week njengoba iphuma ngaphi tana abantu bafike classini ngapha like abantu ababhemintsanga bayeka ngenxa yami lapho sebathi amakeke amgift bathi lasha lapho mina lingenze next ntwana
you're cooking into
I cooked an 8 because if there was the poison. No, we cooked an 8 because if there was poison we knew it would go to the car. Yeah. But it was so cool. Like, it's so cool. Because like we ate the thingy, the makekas was left from Ito. So sitest home ukuthi yashaya.
It's fine.
Yashaya.
Besengena nebalance right.
Yeah, with our engine.
Who how to bake?
We knew that the ingredients were written. Besithanga ready made. And untwana like mama mbeka bake udedlantwana from mama cake mama kwinyes yeah. But the cake never ngalikeni. Besicava mama muffin.
You see when
because I'm instructions bro.
They teach you something, you take that skill, you add
yeah,
something.
you implement.
So as time went by, okay, le amalento Spanish. Or then sisithole Spanish. Then that's when my job rescued my whole situation.
The macro job.
Yeah, bro. Like it closed a very big gap in my life. I mean, I'm getting paid on Fridays. Man,
every week.
Because I'm working Saturday, Sunday. Singakwazi ukuya kumem usikhosana imicela ukuthi mem ngiyabonga what are we eating for lunch senginemade ngathola enye imade ngisho high school yaphela ngathola enye imade you get like give away imali so she was like when you'll buy lunch on Tuesdays and Thursday I'm gonna buy Monday Wednesday and Friday.
Hey, a nice relationship.
She covered me dog angikhabe ngithemba sengiqala ukuthwana ngifana sakhavana ntana
Akayazi mina le bengenza leyo ukudla nona.
Yeah.
Inewe bengafuni ukujola umuntu. Inewe ngoba bengazi mangingajoli umuntu.
Yeah.
Ngizokuthola ukudla kubo bonke.
Yeah.
Manje mangijola nawe sekumele ngidle kuwe kuphela wena.
Mina wazi.
Wangibayizisa vele.
We had the couple of the what.
Yeah. Petty score.
Yeah, no, we had the couple kunama couple like for eskoleni ngadomayo.
Yeah.
Ni 4 max 3 max.
Yeah.
Kona le ya grade 12. They popular konke umuntu abajoin from ngabo principal abasabathethisi. Yeah, baku grade 12 then go by grade 11. Thina ska 9 10 bengisha grade 10 na grade 9. So thina silapho but as you and the double labo gift no akhohlwa mfana. So we were there, man. It was so nice and it changed my whole perspective of looking at how school is. I started loving school more, even though the thing is being standard and I was funded, I wouldn't cry, and I did well in school. But the economics made me realize that actually, if you just keep studying harder, more certificate that means more money. Because when you got the certificate, I'm a keeper or something, maybe a sneaker or a t-shirt, and then I pulled out for me. No, dog. You go not jail, and only lambing jail and it's a study you die.
Yeah, it's up to you.
Because you're bombing by saying a seeker. Sometimes in the time, no value because there are times when my mom gets sick to a point where she has to go to a macabre, I'm the call, selling you one. And selling you one. That's where I told you that loneliness for me was something else. Dog. I loved it. Mangi bonela from me, don't one.
You know, friends are like that. When you're outside with a party and let's do this, but you like you have problems.
I was there, like thinking about it like here. So you see what macro play. Some can 100 rand deal, mina. Some can with you. Mshibo made you take a ganja. Me so
yeah, working at retail somehow what advantage.
Yeah, but that time they were employing students, it was crazy.
Yeah,
it was like, it helped a lot.
A lot of us as kids, dog, like mend up from that macro job.
Whatever, and Padisha, stuff, whatever it was, man.
People registered, dog. You know what they did? They took 2 first kids. That time registered 100, dog. Lapha register le thule le pimp ngishime pimp le deputy pimp ikwala I register mina register ntwana if mama kasibisi leyo mali maqala umama ngiyakasibhayizisa umama utshela mina inkinga umama watshela mina manje la ngithini umama wathi utshela abantu baseclassini lakho ni register yabo ngathi mama ngeke ngasitshela ngihlizana mama ufuna ngiphimpe ngicatha angifaki angeke yenzeke leyo ngitshela iclass nabanye batsheliwe register mama zange usikhuluma ngeke ngisho ukuthi ngizonifaka ufike kimi ndoda last day wathi awu register ngisho because bengafuni wena uregister unganokho kuphi yena ngathi umntwana ngathi apha khona hayi mtshela ukuthi sasenize nama ID wenu niyalani uqala span
laba ba register
means that thathathwe abantu abayi20 from 100 nakhona le 20 kuqala le 2 le 1 month then the rest bathatha 10 bese kuze enye 10 bese ezinye zoxoshwa khani ingene yo yazi nje but I never registered.
Perks of having a teacher of Frostana.
Perks of studying.
Yeah, low key, that part was experience. When you speak about couples, there's one couple I hated so much. Like Indians or white people.
Sure.
They always had like pink hair, pink hair. Lapho thina we're not allowed to have dreads.
Come on.
Yeah.
It's not a kid like they na spikes.
Bro, like, any style man.
Look wrong, thina bangafuna ama dreads kithi nanani.
Kati.
But for iskele esifana nedapha, it taught me how to be multiracial.
Especially coming from eKasi.
Yeah. Gona ikomando ndoda. Sangabona umlungu mina 2006 ndoda. Yeah, like ngibona umlungu da. Umuntu ngibona TV ngikole the beautiful. Manje ngibona la, hello umlungu. What would you say? Ngikho uzomuna umntana ungathini khozi cawa ngisho chili pie. Sothini no sala nalo. Ngasabona umlungu. How are you? So now I'm like, come down ngaso kanjani.
Yeah, but
yeah, but it was nice. Then after high school, you decided to and now I'm going into college.
Yeah, high school I'm thinking. High school I didn't want to work, dog. High school I'm working. Didn't want to work. I didn't want to go.
After macro.
Yeah, high school I'm at macro. I'm doing a December job.
Yeah.
Now I'm mainly employed because I'm getting food for the whole of December.
Yeah.
And the first time I'm seeing 3.2, dog. I'm like,
Okay.
no, if I can do this every month, that means in 10 months I have 30,000.
You're thinking like that.
Yeah, I'm thinking I don't have a kid. I don't have a child. In a year, in 10 months. I'm thinking 10 months. It's first month saying, what if I can do this? 2,000 every month. I'm paying 20 in 10 months. And I'm thinking big in a stupid mindset.
Yeah, you always do that.
Yeah.
And I'm kind of employed part time. I was thinking like, yo, you calculating that.
That's how they chop you.
Yeah, listen to what I think he said.
But it's good to pray.
Labo mama labo. Abo ma ole bara macro sister. Shout out to them. They were like, "Ehlanya, ngesikela." Mantala, mina ngiyesikela. Nikak na kudla ngiyesikoleni. Like, oyesikoleni wena. Ngathi mina NSFAS angeke bazongipayisa nana doc register. Yo, bangithatha. Mina ngiyapha ngareport bangithathile. I'm fucking excited. But this thing, if I not grade 8 nga-register, grade 1 nga-register, understand? So angicava ijoy yokuthi bathathile njani. And khona abantu aba-rejected.
Yeah.
So I'm like, hey, baku-rejecta kanti campus, yo. Ndaba bangithatha and I was like, God bless. And as far as approved it, God bless, more blessing.
Yeah.
Mangarangi batshela ukuthi lokho bangithathile. Everyone was excited. There's no bye-bye party that watata, but you can feel it. Everyone.
Yeah, sure. You have to get to work.
Yeah, like
Yeah,
how gift the last bonel I'm saying now. Yazin, next bye. Bye.
I'm a guy something. Yeah, I'm a tool stand to fix up some shit.
I'm a tools to fix something. Shit! That's a man. Fuck.
With the foundation.
Hey, Dada. You know what they did? They gave me a building. They gave me a building and I got done. Now Moses was born. Now
But yeah, the experience though must be electric. The experience must be awesome.
Yeah, it was wholesome because you meet a whole lot of genders, ages. When bashadile ndoda uyathuka ndoda kubona umuntu oshadile la in front of your eyes. When was antu wakho nikona umbona after 3 months.
Yeah, when you're young.
Yeah. Now everyone has a ring. Koni time if ring in time chukuta mntana bambadala now.
Now you understand why people work.
Yeah, now you are young, that you're made to feel, you feel small now.
Yeah, cool.
It started kicking in December when I was working for January. But remember, Boysen doesn't want to go to school. Boysen doesn't want to he just wants, he's feeling comfortable.
That time music career baby.
Nah, that time I had man God like yes. That time I was an MC. Excuse me, and a dancer. But how will you get paid from that? That's when I realized that, you know what? This MC and dancing thing won't work out. Let's try events. With events, it didn't work out as well. I was like, hey, now I'm seeing my course. I'm going to pay. I'm like, he's doing the very same thing I'm doing in school. But he's making money from it because he has songs, which I myself looked up into making a song, but I didn't know where to start, who to talk to, or how to even do this thing. So COVID played a huge role.
Yeah.
COVID played a huge role. COVID made me realize that, hey, dog, the more you flogoloza yourself and be in spaces where, and it's like uzifake nje ufunde ukuthi why nginanshooter.
Yes,
why nginanshooter nengishuthelani, why ngishootha ngecamera, why ngingashoot ngani yabo lezi zinto lezo.
Just intimidate yourself there.
I was curious.
Mm.
So I used to be all over. Then I ended up with that Bruce Vele laba basha umculo machita ngifaka uTime. This is how a song is made. It's recorded on a mic, and then there's a sound card, there's a computer, then there's a Cubase. The first time I started recording, I saw a Cubase. The Cubase. Then ngiyacula, but I'm fidgeting around still ngiyadlala. Then I got to MC at an event. Oh, I got a job, a teaching job, to teach on Friday, Saturday, and Sunday. Sunday we get my matriculation. So I taught maths literacy. Got good results. Nalapha bathi ndoda bafuna abantu bathi my results are amazing now. Like ngithole through your guys are besties and he's my friend. So you are opening the company and you tell him. So he becomes the admin and he tells me ukuthi ntwana bafuna my results abantu abaphase grand matric. Phase kanjani? Ngiphasa mnandi. Which subject are you strong at? I was like maths literacy. Like I pulled through ngiyavayisi le ngiyakhoda. Mangifika esipanini but we don't even need your papers. Awuyenze la presentation. Share presentation. I mean after presentation to the kids, introducing yourself. Hello guys, how you guys doing? No gift and so na. It's like a first lesson. Same day go to but bangene span. I had a beautiful day first day. So I was like, you're hired.
That's how you should hire a person. I feel like that's how you should hire a person. Put him there in the spotlight.
You are hired. Just pull through. Man can do that. Sabani lunch yesterday. Then after school go a meeting yet. But I meeting and then sign up a paper. We signed. And later on, as time goes by, I got even an offer to teach in the school. But I was like, the money is in for that type of but then it's not discredited in day one. Waiting so I did SGP. And I was like, what happens if the SGP decides with Banana 4,000 this month? Next month when it's 2,000.
Under not by streets.
Yes, and I'm teaching mathematical literacy. Not teaching arts and culture. I'm teaching maths literacy. So my father said, I'm not certificate. That's why I'm going to under SGP. So when I asked good to my mind get on because I'm finished school, I said, because when time to fire, I mean, doing
it the right way is
not hard waiting look I gift so I opt for campus, I registered electrical engineering. Then while else I'm teaching Kamu Nyalokanja. Because Scala Kamu Nyaluka. And Scala helped with teaching maths grade 10, 11, 12. Then Scala helped me to teach maths grade 8 and 9. Because in school we're doing pure mathematics, electrical engineering. Then when I'm teaching it's maths lit, and the maths lit very easy to me because it's say like Kazi. But the pure maths I studied pure maths and campus so that I can be able to teach it to the kids.
Yeah, and it's quite a simpler one.
Yeah, Masui Lukan. So now left and right. I wanna my still that. La show my efforts. I'm not going my first and back in that. And if the way for in the campus,
because there's always no outfit every day.
They let's tell them overall, not a short. Tell them overall. 30 it puts shape puts 2 days a week. Because overall it's all for me. When I extend, I think it puts in share 3 days a week. It puts now. Some feeling that to the pellet that to club is 2 or 1. Yeah. Shirley puts 3 days. Now overall very simple 2 days. It's a workshop 2 days.
Engineering
is I shove. I man that sing in very good music. After that, COVID, but Tenas Valley campus.
Really?
Yeah. For us they were like instead of 5 days, 9 are 2 days. So Kalang 2. After 2, but 3, then obviously the country started opening up. Yes, then back to what. So then if manga is scared, namalanga money, and I'm sometimes Tuesday, Friday pay. And I understand that if I always get Friday, Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, just 5 days when the peluse cars.
Yeah.
And there was a time where I knew I started 2 weeks. That 1 week or 2 weeks, my tongue was like 7 days.
7 days.
At 7 days, at 2 weeks, at month, that's why. So that time already we sent Fichita into studio. Got lucky. The last day of my events.
Whose studio was it?
Make, Wanda Make. Wanda no coffee. Shout out to Amakhotman, Wanda no coffee.
That was the first time in the studio.
Miking.
Yeah.
And there was a proper mic, even though studio, I can say equipment, but it was a proper mic, proper everything,
Yeah.
proper artist.
They have what they need to.
Yes, like, and it isn't to him. I respect them. Is that car long? Is it don't change? Like, was a stony by the way, and the Mahotman in the mini I come
Fishing.
Gift is a humble, polite, kind bro. I love people. I respect people as well. I also love God. Now, it's confusing. Because Banumlando, and with their history came us. And we just had to change the world and give out everything that I vision and see out to the public. Even if sometimes I might be wrong, sometimes I might be right, and I stand to always be corrected. Otherwise, I'm here to learn and live though.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That.
Yeah.
That's learn and live.
Yeah.
So, with that said, Buffett.
Listen,
I didn't show you intro. Buffett's like not intro me out. But listen, this is an intro.
Yo, but there's still a lot that I wanted to ask you. No lies. Yo,
I'm saying
we can run part 2.
Yeah, that's what I'm saying. This whole episode is an intro. This whole episode is an intro.
There's still a lot.
There's a lot.
There's a lot, yo.
There's too much. And I like the fact that you're engaging.
Because at some point, I watched the interview of Expresso.
Yeah.
And I was like, yo, there's really a lot you also wanted to say. But like, but
the expression can be
yeah.
I'm gonna market myself.
Yeah.
As RBC1.
Yeah.
I'm gonna make sure I'm marketing myself. Driving the market to my family, to my page. I'm like, yo, Pella, she wrapped it up.
Like, I think she asked like 3-4 questions. Then it's like, it's Chad.
And the one cool.
Ooh, yeah.
Basically, when you didn't get the chance.
She takes 2 minutes to ask a question, then 30 seconds for the answer.
Like, you see the presenter?
Yeah.
The presenter was Nangaba the script.
Yeah.
She's reading from a script. And the person that was brought value for that business was Leicester Sam. But Mina is there to add my opinion as an artist.
Yeah.
But the conversation was about music royalties and how do you feel about us not having like a firm level CCMA. So Kalela corner.
Yeah, that's what I was
insurance.
That's what I'm saying. There was a lot I still wanted to know
to unpack. But we're coming back.
Yeah, we're gonna do part 2, guys. Manje ivale kahle ubashanga amavukali yawo. Bafeel
It's ovi anaination tina start ngama penetration ngithi sharp fere ngobochere namachita ngede ayewo athi sikhoru sema partner ingane udlidizi nomhlophe bakhe ivale
subscribe and
don't forget to click that notification bell.